So good morning, and I am here at the Shinzoin station, and I will be going to Taichung for an hike at the Seven Heroes of Gaguan. So see you there. So guys, we are here at the trailhead of Tangmadan Trail. So ito yun guys. So it's a 1.3 hanggang dito, then sa baba is my waterfalls. Ito yung tinatawag nilang butterfly waterfalls. So check natin kung ano meron nandito. So ayan guys, maakyat na tayo dito sa may Tangmadan. So ayan, pinagpapawisan na ako.
Ako dun. Siguradong babalikan ka niya na. Ang lakas.
Loneliness becomes my strength to chase the dreams that lie ahead. I'm still standing, I won't break. Though the world is silent, I'll push ahead. Every step along I make, no matter what, I won't be swayed.
Finally reached the Mount Tangmadan. So finally guys, we are here at the peak of Tangmadan. So almost 3 hours. 3 hours na akyatan. So we are planning para sa butterfly waterfalls. We will see. So after sa peak ng Tangmadan, we are going to the butterfly waterfalls. So around 2 hours of trekking. So let's G. Ito yung Anli baba.
Ayun na hinahanap ko kanina ka.
Oo. Dito ako energetic sa baba. Oh. 3 km. Basic. So ayan yung view guys. Papunta na kami ng waterfalls. Butterfly waterfalls. Finally, dito na kami sa intersection 3.5. Ayan, 1.6. Oo. Ito na yung bridge. Yan. Very close na kami sa Butterfly Waterfall. Whew. So we are finally here at Butterfly Waterfall. So ayan na yun guys. So,
Saan yung butterfly dyan?